Hey y'all, so here we are. It's the day before I'm probably putting out this video. This weekend we actually finally got a lot of stuff done. You know, this is the after effect, but you can see we got all the trim out. We got the floor washed out. It still looks a little crusty, but just needs a little bit of a scrub. And yeah, still trying to figure out what we want to do with this. We don't know if we want to put the trim back in on the walls or just leave it bare for now and then wait until we're gonna put in actual like siding or whatever you want to call it, probably tongue and groove like cedar board. But yeah, so check it out.
But there's that wire there.
Okay.
Okay, I can do it?
Just be careful. Stay back from it.
Can I get down in these little things right here?
Yeah, there should be drain holes.
Is it coming out?
All right, y'all, so there you have it. We finally got this thing stripped down on the inside, and now we should just be building up from here. At this point, the only thing really starting us from building back up is me. I'm the issue here. I need to get more confident with my welder that I got set up, and then I'm gonna be using it to fill in the holes where the original subfloor was in. I'm trying to prevent rust from getting up into pockets or getting up in maybe rotten whatever you know, wood we put down for our subfloor, as well as it'll help with, you know, road noise and all that stuff. This thing was disgusting. Like, once we got that side trim pulled off, you guys saw it in the video, it was so gross. Like, we had to scrape that stuff up with like a scraper, a screwdriver, and then we pressure washed it out to get the rest. It was bad, but we got it all out now, and it's just on to the next part of this project. Hopefully eventually I can get this subfloor in, get the bed done, and then move on to maybe some more mechanical things like some tie rod ends, or something's leaking from the engine. I really hope it's not the power steering pump, but if it is, I'll make you guys a video on that. So until next time, like, comment, subscribe. See y'all later.